Power on the air switch. Power on the emergency stop. Keep the water temperature around 25 to 26 degrees centigrade. Power on the laser button. Enter the settings menu, password. 123,456. Language can be changed. Save, then return. Scanning frequency can be 50 to 300s. Skin width is 0 to 300 millimeters adjustable. Peak power, the machine power, can be adjusted. Duty cycle and frequency, no need to change. Laser enabled. If off, there will be no laser. Indicator of red light. If selected line, it will be line. This is the laser cleaning head. There is power button and secure lock. Open the secure lock. There will be red light. If changing lines to be dotted, the red light will be dotted. So before we use, we will select lines. For the secure lock, if we close the lock, there will be no laser. We'll test the cleaning. Press technology to change the parameters. Width and power can be changed. Click Save and Import. Return to main menu. New parameters are on use. Double-click the button and hold on. There will be laser lights out. Adjust the distance between the laser cleaning head and the workpiece to find the focus point. Power down the machine. Rotary the secure lock to be off. Press the laser button. Power down the stop. Turn down the air switch.